day. I am looking at the rainfall through my bedroom window, but it makes me that much more excited to pack for my next warm trip coming up. I am pacing out of here in 2 days to go to the Gold Coast of Australia, where it is currently summertime. So for those of you who have been following my Instagram, you know that I have been on quite a few surf trips pretty recently. So this video is going to be my process of how I pack my suitcase, my carry-on, and my board bag. So you're basically going to watch me way overpack, as I always do, but it should be fun. My bed is currently completely taken over by a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go through clothes and shoes and bikinis first because it's basically the bulk of what I'll be bringing with me on my trip. These are all the swimsuits that I'll be bringing, and if you're thinking, Erin, that is way too many swimsuits for 2 weeks, you are totally right. Bikinis are pretty small, so they don't take too much space in my luggage, which is what I'm telling myself. And I'll actually probably use these bikinis as padding in my surfboard, but we'll go into that later. Over here is like bra and undies. I've got a pair of denim pants and shorts, some shorts and rompers, a couple pairs of leggings, a couple pairs of shoes, a bag to wear on just a normal day. Yeah, that's basically it. This is my suitcase, which I got pretty recently. There is so much room in here that it's crazy. There's this compartment right there, this, and then it shuts, and then there's 2 more pockets on the outside. So now that I've got my clothes all packed up in the main compartment, it's time to do toiletry stuff. So these are all of the toiletries I'm bringing. So in here, I've got my deodorant and hair ties, toothbrush, toothpaste, lotion, extra cleansing wipes to remove makeup, body oil for sun tanning, and some reef-friendly sunscreen. Over here, some products from Molly Organics, which I'm going to shoot with once I'm there, so everything's all nicely wrapped up already for travel, so I don't really have to worry about that. And then Sunbum just sent me some goodies to bring with me on my trip. In this pouch, I've got all of my travel hair essentials, so I've got like a comb here, miniature dry shampoo, and a miniature shampoo and conditioner, and then a small 3-in-1 spray bottle, which is essential for me because I spend a lot of time in the ocean and my hair dries out like crazy, so this stuff is a miracle worker. Okay, so in the other pouch, which is identical to the hair pouch, I've got some mineral sunscreen for my face, some for my body. This is a spray-on for my body. And I even got like a cute little air freshener to put in the car, a little face stick, some chapstick with SPF, and then a few sunless tanning wipes. Hey guys! So I'm using this Aloha pouch to put some of my beauty care products in. So now that they're all neatly inside a bag, I can start putting them into my suitcase. There we go. Super easy. So that's all toiletries and beauty products. So the next thing to pack is all of my camera equipment and electronics. So let me go gather everything and I'll be right back. I just ordered a water housing for my Canon 5D Mark IV, which I'm so excited for, by the way. Ever since I was in like high school, my dream was to have a legit camera with an actual water housing. So I finally made that happen. I waited for Black Friday to buy from Aquatech. They had this really good deal. It was like 30% off store-wide. So I bought a housing, a lens port, and a pistol grip, and it was not cheap, but I'm so excited to bring this to Australia and test it out in warm, clear water. So I've got my water housing already inside a protective case. And then inside here is my pistol grip, and inside here is my lens port. I'm obviously going to be bringing my DSLR camera with a lens already on it. I'm also bringing my GoPro, the Hero 6, with this floaty handle, a battery, and a battery charger for my vlog camera, which I'm currently using right now, but I'm also going to be bringing this because I'm hoping to vlog while I'm there. Okay, so this is definitely going to be the heaviest section of my suitcase. I'm hoping this thing is not overweight like it always is. But anyway, it's time to do my carry-on bag. These are the contents that are gonna go into my carry-on bag. My laptop, wallet. I've also got my book, which is crucial for long flights. This is currently what I'm reading. I would highly recommend it to all. And I've got my journal, my passport, socks, deodorant to keep fresh, chapstick because I tend to dehydrate a lot on the plane, electrolyte packets such as this one to keep hydrated on a long flight. I just put it into a water bottle and drink it all up. Obviously, I've got my neck pillow, which is crucial, especially when you're planning on sleeping on a flight, and that just goes inside this bag right here. So I have my carry-on and my suitcase all packed up, and now it is time to pack my boards, which is probably the hardest part. He's gonna help me pack, aren't you? Okay, so it is really cold and rainy outside, as you can see, but my boards are out here, so I have to be out here as well. Here are some of my boards from my big board collection. This one is my latest addition to my quiver. I got it like 3 days ago, I think, from my shaper Tim Stamps. It's a 7-1 single fin, like an egg style. So this is one of the boards I'm bringing. And then the other board is a 7-6, and I'm bringing it for Michael, who's gonna be on this trip with me. I need both arms to do this, so I'll be right back. So the first thing you do when packing up a surfboard for travel is to unscrew all the fins. So I've got a flathead screwdriver right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take off both of these fins. Once you unscrew the fin from the board, you want to put the plate and the screw back into the fin so you don't lose it because it's teeny tiny. So as you can see, the screw and the plate is attached to the fin, so it's all just together. And then I need the same thing to this board.
And the wave break here, don't be there or you're gonna get drilled. Don't forget to use code LaserBeam in the Fortnite shop. PewDiePie! Dobuscus! Boom.
I'm trying to unpack my boards. I'm trying to put the boards into here.
Oh.
Now I need to continue.
I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the rain.
I know how to put a fin in a board. Thank you very much.
What do your sheeps do?
There is no daylight.
Well, my brothers were super helpful. Anyway, bye. You guys totally ruined my video, but it's fine.
Christmas.
You can restart it, it's fine.
Where the
I
heck?
can't restart it.
Yes, you can.
Wait,
It's called the magic. Oh my god!
The most important part in packing a surfboard is the protection and the padding because unfortunately
I'm going outside!
you guys
I will be outside in
are
a second.
awful.
Let me go outside.
Holy crap. Literally everyone is here while I'm trying to film.
I'm trying to bring my plants I just bought outside to plant them. I'm busy. No one's helping me.
This is why I don't vlog, you guys. This is why I don't film a lot of videos, is because it's really difficult in this house.
Alright.
That's just the sad truth, unfortunately.
It's underneath the poncetta. What's up, Jill?
I don't know why Ryan is gardening in the rain.
I don't know why you think
Super
me
random.
gardened in the rain.
It's the perfect time for it. Put pots right here for the beans, the peas to grow up here, so it trellises up this. Because they got really pretty flowers. Or should I just put them all by the coop?
You should put
Leave
them
a
on
comment
these.
down below.
Shush. All right. The most important thing when packing up your boards for traveling is to make sure that they're nice and protected. I've tried a lot of methods when packing my boards in the past. I've used that bubble wrap stuff, which took forever, and then I would use the pipe foam inserts to wrap the rails of my board, which worked, but it did take a really long time. So I actually figured out another method to pack my boards, and actually my boyfriend sewed me this board protection pad slash board bag for my graduation present. So inside of it is foam, and it's a towel material, and this has been the best thing to keep my board safe when traveling because it gives it that extra padding that it needs. So this is the board bag that I'll be using for my trip. It's 8 feet long and it fits 2 surfboards, and it has wheels, which is super convenient because I recently went on a trip where I carried my longboard around without wheels, and it was such a struggle. So this is gonna make things a lot easier. Once I have the board bag open and ready to put a board in, I lay out this pad that was handmade especially for me, and then I put my surfboard in the middle of it. And I like to put board bags on my surfboard as well, just to give it that extra protection. And we'll put this in the middle. Here I have another board bag that I'm gonna wrap my new surfboard in. Just slip that on. I'm gonna put the smaller board on top of the larger board. So I'm gonna wrap it like a burrito with my little surfboard pad right here. This is what I have so far. As you can see, the center of the board is really nicely padded down. It's super thick, but this is exposed, and so is the tail. So what I do, I just use whatever towels I have to give that extra protection so that it won't ding while being handled by the airplane. See right here, my board is super exposed, which can leave it vulnerable to dings and scratches. So I mainly want to protect that part. So kind of stuff it here. I have a dry bag that I need to pack, my spring suit. I'm also bringing fins and a mask. This is also a great method to eliminate any extra weight I have in my suitcase because I can literally just put it in my board bag instead. And then I also grabbed my bikinis from my suitcase to act as even more padding. And then I zip it all up. All done with that. These little pockets on the side are perfect for things like wax. I don't recommend putting fins in here unless you have a lock, because I made the mistake of doing that and I got my fins stolen out of my side pockets. This is what the finished packing process looks like. So ready for Australia, you guys. You have no idea. I am excited to feel the sun on my skin again, to say the least. Thanks for watching. I hope this was insightful for you guys who are packing for your own surf trip. I'll see you in the next video.